Viewer advisory. This video contains body cam footage showing physical confrontation. This content is presented for educational and legal analysis purposes. On August 28, 2025, a tow truck operator arrived at a residential apartment complex in Orlando, Florida, to remove a vehicle parked in a no parking zone blocking a dumpster. The vehicle owner ran down, grabbed the operator's equipment, and physically confronted both the operator and arriving officers. The incident resulted in 2 arrests, a marijuana discovery, and a child welfare referral.
Hey! 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 Come here! Come here! Hey!
You not touching me.
Okay, okay.
No, you're not touching me.
You gotta come this way. You gotta come this way.
Back up from me. Back up from me.
Hey, Eunice, give me a 44.
Hey,
stop.
That's good.
I need you to listen.
That's
I
good.
need you to
You're trying to take
listen.
my car for what right now?
I need you.
And you're gonna let him?
I need you to
And
listen.
you're gonna
Relax.
let him? Hold
Back
on,
up.
no,
He's
no,
doing
no,
his job. I need you to stop.
I
I
don't
need
give
you to stop. Relax. Stop. All right, now you're touching me. Get the on the ground. Get the on the ground. You don't touch me. What's wrong with you?
Look at this. Look at this.
Give me your hand.
Look at this. Look at
Field
this.
one, fighting one.
Look at this.
Give me your hand. Just give me your hand. Give me your hand. Yeah, you're gonna arrest. You don't touch me. What's wrong with you, little girl? What is wrong with you? Because you don't get to touch me like that. What is wrong with you? No, you just smacked my hand, girl. What's wrong with you? No, now you're going to jail for something stupid. Now you're going to jail for something stupid. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. I'm not gonna say it again. You're gonna get tased. It's not gonna go in there. It's not gonna go nice for you. You need to give me your hand now. Give me your hand.
I didn't do anything
All right,
wrong.
relax.
I didn't do
Give me
anything
your hand.
wrong.
Give me your other hand now.
Give
Give me your other hand now. You are under arrest. Yeah, you can record everything. Everything's being recorded. All right, give me your other hand now. Give me your other hand now.
I'm not doing
Relax.
anything.
Give me your other hand now. Relax. You stop touching shit. You doesn't matter. Stop touching shit. You don't get to touch anything. Give me your hand now. Relax. Stop. You back the up because you about to get tased. All right. You're gonna go to jail too. You're gonna go to jail too. Hey, secure her. Hey, secure her. No. Keep playing around, running your mouth. James, run your mouth. What's your mouth? Hold out. Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back. I got you. You're good. Secure here. She got you. Put your mouth, bro. Put her in handcuffs. No, you don't get to touch his equipment. Go on the ground. Give me your hand. This is resisting. Look. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Resisting. Doesn't matter. It doesn't work that way.
How does it not matter? I got on the floor when you said get on the floor. Like you guys said get on the floor and I got on the floor. How is that resisting?
You know, they want to cancel the 44 because we got 2 to 10.
I mean, I don't understand. Why am I in handcuffs when I got on the floor and you guys said
She's 10-15. Oh, we got a little weed. Nice.
of course I did.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Put her in the car.
My little brother's upstairs. My little brother. What the
Hey, we need to talk.
no sense?
This first car right there.
You want mine or yours?
Right here, mine. Okay. Why are you towing the car?
She was parked here. The vehicle was left unattended.
Okay.
It says no parking. She's blocking the dumpster.
Okay.
I hooked it up. She came running down.
Okay.
Offered her the 6250 John.
Okay.
She started talking hella shit. That bitch ass this, that, and the third. I'm like, look, if you continue, I'm gonna tow the car. She kept on. I started to set my dollies up. She would grab them and throw them into the grass.
Okay.
I went to set my bars
You're
up.
not gonna tell them how you push
I didn't push her. I don't have a body cam.
Everything's on recording. You're good.
I'm walking
You got it
with my dollies and she's trying to like push me out the way. and
So
stuff
which
like that.
one hit you?
No,
Any
they
of them hit you? They just pulled up?
See, they just pushed.
So
They didn't
which
physically hit.
whoever was grabbing the tow truck stuff?
That
I
was
saw
the
her
mom.
grab it.
The mom.
Okay. That's why she's in handcuffs.
The daughter, every time I would set my dollies up, she would grab them and toss them into the grass.
Okay.
The daughter, the one that
She's going to jail for smacking my hand when I was trying to push her away. So that's resisting. She's going to jail for something else. Well, anything happened to you besides her trying to block the job?
I'm not hurt. I'm not worried. I'm not hurt.
Perfect.
I'm not hurt.
So anything?
I was so besides
dollies up. So besides her just trying to stop you from equipping, there's nothing else.
I'm grabbing my dollies. I'm just using that as an example real quick. Like she would like try to like push me out the way.
Okay.
I didn't physically touch her. I didn't put my hands on her. Nothing. My hands were on my equipment the whole time.
Okay. So when you started towing up the truck or the car, what apartment did it come out of?
They were upstairs. They were kind of like. By the time I started to like lift, she was at the bottom steps. I didn't know it was her car. There's plenty of other cars. She didn't say, hey. No, she didn't say none of that.
Okay.
So I lifted the car. She came up. She actually opened my door.
Okay.
She yanked my door open. The daughter.
The one in the pink?
Yeah. Okay. She actually pulled my door. I was like, right there, we're going to stop right there because you're not going to sit there and yank my door open.
Okay.
That's a big no-no.
All right. And then you have authority to take calls from the contractor. Beautiful. All right.
Florida Statute Section 715.07 grants private property owners the authority to contract tow companies to remove vehicles violating posted restrictions. The operator held a valid contract with the apartment complex. His authority to tow was lawful. Civilian interference was not. Grabbing and discarding the operator's equipment during an active tow constitutes criminal tampering under Florida Statute Section 812.1-4. Opening the cab door of the operator's truck without authorization may further constitute trespass to a conveyance under Florida law. Florida Statute Section 784.07 defines battery on a law enforcement officer as intentionally touching or striking an officer engaged in the lawful performance of duty. No injury is required. Contact alone, if intentional, satisfies the element. The charge is reclassified from a first-degree misdemeanor to a third-degree felony. Florida Statute Section 843.02 prohibits obstruction or resistance to an officer in the lawful execution of any legal duty, even without violence. Compliance with one command does not satisfy all commands. Refusing to present hands for handcuffing after a ground command constitutes independent obstruction. Under Graham v. Connor, 490, United States 386, 1989, reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with the benefit of hindsight. With two civilians actively resisting simultaneously, a proportional escalation was objectively justified.
Beautiful. All right. I'll just need you to produce that.
When she took the bar off, is it going to be damaged?
No, that's not going to damage like that. You think you're going to have to like run it over or something like that to damage that. My manager also told me to let you know that our signs are actually in the entrance.
Yeah, I know. I believe it. It's an apartment complex.
Blocking the dumpster is an automatic tow.
Is that an email that they send you?
No. This is our link. This is the things that we tow for, and what an automatic tow.
Okay. So just because she's going to jail, well, they both are. Send me that as well, because that's going to be added to the report. So it's covering you guys and your business, saying that this is what we do. This is how we operate. It's contracted to the complex. It's an automatic tow. You know what I'm saying? It's strengthening why you did what you did. That's all it is. Okay. All right, man. You good to go?
Thank you.
Yeah, man. He's good to go.
Good?
Yep.
Do we need him to write a statement? You wrote a statement already?
Yep, he already did that. We're good there.
Then he said, do we need him to file charges for tampering? Nah, he's good.
Nah, he's good. That could be added, if anything, but
No.
Is she calm or what?
She seemed calm now. She's worried about her little brother.
Okay. All right, you calm? Calm enough? Okay, so right now you're going to jail for battery on a law enforcement officer. You don't get to touch me. And on top of that, resisting. All that could have been avoided. All I was doing was pushing you away so we can talk about it. At the end of the day, he has a job to do. He has a contract from here to tow any vehicles that block that parking lot or that parking space. You chose to park there. That's no one's fault but yours. And all you had to do was just talk to me. But because you were such at a high elevated state, you didn't want to reason. Putting your hands on me is unacceptable. So that's what you're going to jail for.
I didn't put my hands on you.
Yes, you did. It's caught on camera. It's caught on camera.
All I did
You don't get to
was
smack.
move my hand.
No.
All I did was move your hand
Okay,
away
listen.
from my
You will get.
face.
That's your argument. That's what you want to stick with. You will get that in court. At the end of the day, you're still going to jail. Now, do you have a medical marijuana card?
No.
Okay, so you have weed in your possession. Okay, so your mom is probably going to take a ride too. because she wanted to interfere and resist the officers over there. So all of this could have been avoided had you just would have listened to me for a second, and you chose not to. Your mom didn't make it any better because she thought I was violating your rights. At the end of the day, you guys have to listen, and nobody was listening at the moment of time I came to make contact with you. You already riled up in his grill before he was trying to do his job. You cannot do that. You cannot obstruct a tow truck driver. That's the problem here. You think you had that motion. You didn't have that. You have to relax. Breathe. Let me talk to you. This probably could have figured out. You probably would be having your car right now if you would have just listened. Because he was going to say you're going to have to pay a fee for me to drop it, and then you take the car back. Ma'am, you were not trying to do. You were upset to the point that I couldn't even reason with you, and because I couldn't reason with you at that time, you decided to smack me, and I'm taking you to the ground.
I did not.
Okay, all right, that's fine. That's call on body camera.
I did. I definitely
right.
did. Was going to give him the money that he asked for. I was literally calling and looking for it.
All right, so no medical marijuana card. Who's upstairs that you have to worry about?
My little brother, which is right there with that family, who I don't even know who they are, and my little sister is upstairs sleeping.
So, do you have it?
Just kind of right
All right, we're gonna call somebody to see if we can get them situated. If not, we're gonna have to call DCF and they're gonna have to take them. See the gravity of what you could have done had you just listened? You're making it worse for the entire family because now I have to call them if there's no one else that can stay with those kids. Off of just a simple argument with a tow truck driver, you could have just avoided the situation by letting me explain or talk to you. She's going to jail. She's refusing the officers over there. You cannot fight officers and think they're going to get away with that. Listen. I'm not going to sit here. I'm not going to sit here and argue with you.
No, I'm not arguing.
All right,
this is a conversation, isn't it?
We're done with that. She's going to jail as well.
So this is a one-sided conversation. Basically.
No, she's just going to jail. Do you have anything on your persons?
I do not. You want to check me?
Yeah, step out real quick. You got your camera on? Yeah. Turn around. Okay, take a seat.
Like I said, I'll say beforehand, you better tell anything you have on here. I believe that you're telling the truth, but I always tell everybody this. It's better to tell the officer now. Have anything on it? No, I know, but I want to make sure.
I'm on. Does she have anybody to come take the kid or no?
I haven't spoken to her yet.
Is she here? Open up. All right. Just like I explained to your daughter, you're also going to jail for resisting. Now, do you have anybody here that can take care of your child? If not, I'm calling DCF.
Yeah.
Who?
The person who has him right now.
And who is he?
She's like an aunt to him. She's been here since we've lived.
Okay. I can ask her, see if she wants to take him. If she doesn't, then like I said, we'll have to call DCF. Okay. Do you have anything on your persons? All right, step out. You have your camera? Turn around.
I mean, my phone's probably in the grass somewhere.
Yep. Well, I'll see if I can find it.
Well, I'll see if I can find it if you don't find it. I'm not going to leave my phone.
That's not my problem.
Oh, that's fine. That's
You became
fine.
the problem.
No, I didn't. I listened when I was told.
Okay.
So I'm not going to speak
All right.
no more.
Neither am I.
I got down
Neither am
when I
I.
was told, and you guys
Neither am
told me all
I.
over.
Take a seat. She said whoever has the baby, she's okay with him going with her. Go ahead. Was that the weed? Yeah. We gotta test it real quick. Yeah, if you can get a kit, yeah. And then just let me know.
I'll let you know.
Perfect. All right, you want to transport that one?
Yeah, I got you. And this is on the daughter, right?
Yes.
Okay. Moment, her ID's here.
Yeah, I got it.
And I sent you 2 screenshots of that statute.
Perfect. All righty.
Could you at least inform me of what's happening right now? Okay, so you're bringing me to jail.
Yeah, you're going to jail for resisting, battery on law enforcement, and tampering with the tow truck driver.
Okay.
And then if
Just
since you don't have a medical marijuana card, if it comes back as marijuana, you're gonna get hit with a marijuana charge.
with my purse. Are my phones in my purse?
I have your mom's phone, and yeah, there's phones in their purse. Yes, all that's in your purse. All the cash will go to you. Your purse can't go to the jail, so it's probably gonna get booked in Orlando Property and Evidence. And then she's going to jail as well. She's going for resisting and tampering.
Florida Statute Section 893.1-3 prohibits possession of cannabis without a valid medical marijuana authorization card. A positive field test, absent a card, establishes probable cause for a possession charge. Florida Statute Section 39.401 authorizes law enforcement to place minors in protective custody when no responsible adult guardian is available. Officers correctly identified the child welfare concern and pursued informal guardian resolution first. The responding officer receives a grade of B+. Probable cause for all charges was legally supported. Force escalation was proportional. Deductions, use of profanity in commands and unconfirmed Miranda advisement on camera. The daughter receives a grade of D. Every charge she faces traces directly to an avoidable decision she made within minutes. She had a legal remedy: pay the release fee, contest the tow afterward. She chose neither. The mother receives a grade of C-. Physical intervention in an active arrest converts a witness into a co-defendant. Florida law provides no right to obstruct a lawful arrest, even of a family member. The tow truck operator receives a grade of B. He maintained composure, kept hands on equipment, and offered the legal drop fee option. Recommendation: equip operators with personal cameras given the frequency of disputes. 3 legal lessons emerge from this incident. First, private property tow operations are lawful business activities protected by contract and statute. Civilian interference carries criminal exposure regardless of how unfair the tow may feel. Second, physical contact with an officer during any active law enforcement action elevates misdemeanor conduct to felony-level charges under Florida statute, Section 784.07. Third, the presence of minor children at an arrest scene creates immediate legal obligations for both the guardian and law enforcement under Florida statute Section 39.401. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction and courtroom content.